Good morning, children. Welcome back. Now, madam, going to continue our lesson. What is a matter pure? Is a matter pure? So, in that we came to know about different suspensions, colloidal solutions, suspension solutions, homogeneous mixtures, heterogeneous mixtures. We came to know. Now we are going to yesterday again one more. Sublimation also we came to know. What do you mean by the sublimation? Sublimation means what? Solid changing into gases. What? Solid changing into gases, we will say it as a sublimation. What? Sublimation. Sublimation. And now here, evaporation. Evaporation process. What is this evaporation? Evaporation is nothing but the liquid is changing into gases. What? Liquid is changing into gases form. Liquid is changing into gases. Liquid changing into gases form. Liquid to gases. Liquid to gaseous form. Gaseous form. Say, for this, one more also we have. Alternating for this evaporation, we will have one more term. Boiling. In the boiling also liquid changes into gases. In boiling also liquid changes into gases. But the difference between these two here, for this heatedness is necessary. For evaporation it is not compulsory. Of course, by heating also we can change here. But with the help of heater, liquid when changing into gases will say as a boiling. Evaporation, say here, normal process in our daily life. I am saying about daily life for the activity. The liquids are changing into gases. For example, wet clothes. What are wet clothes? They are getting dried when you are keeping in a open. When you are drying on in the sunlight. When you are drying the wet clothes, particular when you are drying wet clothes in that open air, in the sunlight, they are getting dry. Why? Where morning you are drying them up to evening, water that will be going out. Where it went? Who did that? What happened there? Water in that changed into gaseous form, air. Because of air it changed. That form, evaporation. What is that? Evaporation. Evaporation, liquid changing into gaseous form is called as the evaporation. Now, here we have an activity that evaporation income. Yes. Take a beaker and we are having an activity in a beaker. You fill it with the water. Beaker, you fill it with the water and just on a support, with the help of some support, you go on heating with the help of a Bunsen burner. Just don't start it now. Don't start it. And above this, here we are keeping a watch glass. Watch glass and conch glass. Watch glass. Onto that, in that watch glass, you pour some ink. We are pouring some ink. So here, once beaker, what is this? Water. What is this? Beaker. Bunsen burner. Even you can use anything just for heating. Bunsen burner and watch glass. This one watch glass, conch glass. Plate, glass plate. In that we are pouring some ink. Now start heating. Go on heating. Keep changing. Which one we are heating? We are heating this beaker. We are heating this beaker. So now you know what is that. If you go on heating, water gets heated up. Steam will be coming out. This ink we are heating indirectly, not directly observed. So that whatever heat developed here, the steam, it is heating gas plate, and whatever into there, you observe the atom, you are finding in the form of a vapor. Just in the you are finding on that glass. Color of the ink, the liquid will not be there. Only dry color will be there. In the plate, water in that, the liquid. Ink, whatever it is in which state? Liquid. Ink, a state, liquid state. That liquid, what liquid how with add see color. You will play colors for Holi. What you will do? You are adding powdered color to the water. Is it or not? While playing Holi, what you are doing? You are adding powdered colors to the water. So that ink, same. You can go with that colors also, which you add the color which you added to the water. Take on this. What is that? That water present in that getting evaporated, and the color will remain like that only. Color remains like that only. What is that process? Evaporation process. Solid here, liquid changes directly into the gaseous form. What is that? Liquid changes into the gaseous form. Liquid changes into the gaseous form, and here then you can find out what is this here. Understood? I think what I said. Evaporation. What we changed here? What happened here? Liquid changed into the gaseous form. Liquid changed into the gaseous form. Now here we are going to learn about the chromatography. This word, see, chromatography, not autography. Chromatography, 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 chromatography. Here this chromatography, what it goes is a mixture. Here this is the process. Chromatography, remember, this is a process in which the mixture of components, from the mixture of components, we are separating them. Here especially this phenomena of colors. The mixture of colors we can separate into the individual colors. Mixtures we are separating into individuals. Chromatography is the process in which the mixtures we are changing into individual colors. Individual colors are individual components. Following here, the mixtures we are changing into individual components. So here, in our page number 95, we have this mixtures and compounds differences. Again, page number 95. Mixtures and compounds differences. So here, the elements and the compounds just mix it together to form a mixture, and no new compound is formed. And the elements react to form new compounds. So this is about compounds. Still we didn't get to. We'll go for that. And after completing about compounds, I'll tell you. But up to this chromatography, understood? I think the chromatography means what? The process in which the mixture of components change into individual components. Mixture means separate share. Chromatography. And here we are having the method card, separating funnel, separation of immiscible liquids. Separation of immiscible. Immiscible means which did not mix it, which are not mixed. Immiscible liquids. Immiscible liquids. Immiscible liquids. So here separating funnel again. Rubber copper, one horizontal, just rubber copper. This is a funnel, separating funnel. The name of this instrument is separating funnel. Separating funnel. Here stop clock. Stop clock. Not clock. Stop clock. Immiscible liquids. Immiscible liquids. We are separating two liquids. We are separating two liquids which did not mix together. Here this is important. See, this is kerosene. This is water. You know this. What you know? Here, milk and water. Add milk to the water. Add milk to the water. Will they get mixed or not? Milk in water lo added. Separate milk water. They are mixable. They get mixed. Separately we will not get. Again, suppose you add anything water, cool drink to that water you add. Separately you are not getting. Will you get like that? Fruit juices. Into that fruit juices you add water. Will you get water separately, fruit juice separately? They are getting mixed. We are having some liquids which does not mix. We are having some liquids, they will not mix with the other liquids. Milk with the water, mix it. Milk with the juice, mix it. Water with the water with the juice, mix it. Water with the any cooling, mix it. But some liquid, all these which I said, those all are the liquids. But some liquids we are having, those will not mix it together. Those are not getting mixed together. For example, here you have kerosene and water. You add further in a beaker. You try this in a beaker or a small bowl. Into that add water and add kerosene. Same amount. 1 glass of water, 1 glass of kerosene add into the beaker. Just to stir it. And after some time stop like that. After some time stop like that. Here you are finding the layer of kerosene separately. You are finding the water layer separate. Kerosene layer separate, water layer separate. That see kerosene layer whatever to separate that liquid, kerosene and water from the beaker directly not possible to take. This we are having an instrument. At beaker నుండి separate చేయడం possible కాదు. We are having an instrument called separating funnel. అట్లా separate చేయాలి అంటే we are having an instrument called separating funnel. So in that separating funnel, what we are doing, see when from upside you can pour and close it with a rubber stopper. This is an opening. Actually, this is an opening. Through this we are pouring, and here we have a stop cock. Stop cock means up to what extent we want to take. Up to that we can take the opening, just like a tap here. Tap opening, closing. And you see from here we poured water and kerosene and we mixed it. Stop it. We are stopping. Now this is visible amount. By the కనిపిస్తుంది clear. Glass, beakers, whatever lab instruments we are having, those all are visible. Beakers, funnels, conical flask, burette, pipette, ఏవి చూసినా visible గా ఉంటాయి. Whatever up to what extent the liquids we are using అవి కనిపించడానికి క్లియర్ గా visible గా ఉంటాయి. So here this is also clear, it is visible clearly. So now down to that, I want to separate kerosene and water. Down to this top copper, you keep a beaker, a bowl, open this, it is visible clear, it kanipistundi. Slowly turn on this top copper. What is that happening? The water comes into this beaker. Emotionally, water is coming into the bowl. And see, you can stop up to this layer. All the water will be collected in this beaker and only kerosene will be left out in that separating funnel. So in this way, what we are doing here, separating that immiscible. Immiscible means which are not got mixed, which didn't get mixed. We are separating kerosene and water. We are separating here water, kerosene and water. We are separating the liquids. Through this separating funnel, we are separating this liquids. We are separating the liquids. And see here, still we are having some topics. We are having some next separation method. What are the methods? Just now we discussed. After now we discussed sublimation. We discussed. Sublimation we discussed, evaporation we discussed, chromatography we discussed. Again, separation of immiscible liquids that we discussed. First, so chromatography we are having an activity. We are having an activity. You can see that. I'll say that next continuation we are going to see that about the this immiscible method. Next, we are having a distillation process. Here, next topic we are going to learn about the distillation. What is that? We are going to learn about the distillation. Distillation process we are having. Do you know about distillation? I mean, the distilled water. Have you heard? No, yes. This is the distilled water, specially used by the doctors. Not for drinking. Not for drinking. For mixing that medicine powder for injections. For injections, mobile injections. That it is the injection bottle. In that injection bottle, some bottles we are getting in the form of a powder. The medicine you are finding in the powder. So for that powder can you inject into your body? Not possible. That powder we are adding. For that powder we are adding water. That which water? Distilled water. Which water we will add? Distilled water. That is why I am saying that it is used specially by the doctors. Distilled water used by the doctors. And distillation process we are going to learn. Next topic. First let me say you about this chromatography. Here I didn't explain you activity. Here we are having an activity. This we have to take a beaker. Chromatography beaker. What? Beaker. Again, what we are using here? Beaker. You take a pencil. What we need? Beaker, paper, pencil. Here, this is for the pencil. For example, think this is the pencil. In the middle, here in the middle, you adjust the paper length. Suppose, think this is on a pencil. The paper adjustment, a small piece of it. To the pencil, to this pencil, here I'm drawing. Pencil you take. What is this we are taking here? We are taking the pencil. Do this with the help of a plaster. With the help of a plaster. Arrange in the middle a small piece of paper. What I am doing? First beaker, one pencil. To that pencil, even a plaster to paper hanging. And to that paper, this is important, you should draw a marker, line, with the help of a marker or any pen. For a paper, white paper, then even a marking drawing, line drawing. Okay, now? Marker, black or blue pen, with the help of that, anything you draw. What we did? Pencil, in the middle, what we did? With the help of a paper, this is the paper. This is the pencil. You can take pen also, anything just to support. What is our intention? To hang this paper into this beaker. Purpose we need to hang the paper into this beaker. And now pour water. Just arrangement of it will set out. Now just remove this and pour water into this such a way that the water should not touch this marker. In what way? In what way we are pouring water? Up to that we are pouring water until this marker should not touch this. The marker line, the water will touch out. Up to that only you should pour the water. And you see this paper, but you have to observe this paper is in touch with the water. The paper water to contact along the water will consume. And after some time you see, just 5-10 minutes after, slowly remove this paper. Slowly remove the paper and find out what type of colors you are finding. So, illa colors what type of colors you are finding? You find out that. Here, whatever marker. You can do this. You may change it. We are not using any chemicals. And here I said you beaker, but you can use your normal glass. You are having glasses, golden glasses. In that you can do that experiment. try to find out what type of colors you are finding. అక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ this one important అన్న this marker line should not touch the water. Only up to certain extent only water we poured, and that too water, the white paper, the paper should sink into the water. కొంచెం టచ్ కావాలి వాటర్ లో మునిగాలి. Okay, and what are the colors you are finding, what is the changes you are finding, you have to find out and you should inform. Okay, all of you are understanding. We are going to learn about the distillation in our next class. Hope all of you are following me and understanding the topic. Thank you. We will continue in the next class.